They used to be flat on it. That's what I was trying to do. See, she tries to eat it. You see, she likes it.
Yeah, she does.
I'm trying to get the snowman to work, but it doesn't work because this is like almost dust.
You have to wait for it to warm up later.
For it to get solid?
Yeah, so it'll start melting a little bit.
For it to stick?
Yep.
Oh. See? JJ, I have snowballs. It's funny when I throw snowballs at her. She'll be like, oh.
Oh, don't do that.
What?
Well, it's all going to stick to her, and now she's going to have snow everywhere on her.